Hello friends, I am Zoe from 10th standard. This is my first video on 10th class as I am very busy in my studies. So my topic is excretion. So what is excretion? Removing of waste products from our body like nitrogenous waste, acids, uric acid, urea, creatinine, oxalates, ammonia. And excess salts, water. These are the nitrogenous waste which excretes from our body. The most poisonous among these all is ammonia. So how this waste product formed? We will see in our excretory system. So this is dorsal aorta, posterior vena cava, adrenal gland, renal artery, renal vein. This is left kidney. This is hilum, ureters, opening of ureter into bladder. This is external opening, bladder and urethra. So this is reddish brown in color, these two kidneys. This kidney is concave in the outer side and convex in the inner side. You have read in physics, right? This is convex in the outer side and concave in the inner side. And this is reddish brown in color. This is 10 centimeter in length. 10 centimeter in length, 5 to 6 centimeter in breadth, and thickness you can see in 3D. Thickness is 4 centimeter. So this is the measurement of kidney. The right kidney is slightly placed lower than our left kidney because the place is occupied by our liver. That is why the right. Do you know what is the structural and functional unit of our kidney? The nephron is the structural and functional unit of our kidney. This is very small in size, it is located here, but the function is very much. That is why it is called structure and functional unit of kidney. In brain, we can see neuron is the structural and functional unit of brain. So don't confuse. What is the function of nephron? It filters the blood and remove toxic substances. This is renal artery. What is the function of renal artery? It brings oxygenated blood from the body parts with the help of dorsal aorta. And renal vein filters remove the deoxygenated blood that came from the body parts. This is the left kidney. This is the hilum in between renal vein and renal artery. Hilum is present. Ureter is the whitish narrower muscular tube. What is the function of ureter? The filtered blood or filtered urine which is present in the kidney, this ureter brings that urine into the bladder. Okay, this is whitish narrower distensible sac. It is 30 centimeter in length. So the function of ureter is to bring the urine from the kidney into the bladder. It opens into the bladder. This is the opening of ureter into the bladder. This is the bladder and this is the urethra. Urethra 4 centimeter is long in females and 20 centimeter long in males. In BITS question they may ask this question, and this is the external opening. So the blood which is present in the kidney, this ureter brings the unwanted blood substances into the external opening. So this ureter, which is 30 centimeter in length, is whitish narrow distensible sac. So by which movement it comes into the urethra? By the help of peristalsis movement. You know peristalsis movement in 9th class, okay? So by peristalsis movement it comes into the urethra. And this urethra, this bladder maximum it can fill 700 to 800 ml. If more than 800 ml it is there, it can't fill the urine. And temporarily it is filled 300 to 400 ml. Okay, per day we can lose the urine 1.6 to 1.8 liters. Per day amount of urine which we are losing it 1.6 to 1.8 liters. This is about excretory system. Now I am going to explain you about nephron, which is structural and functional unit of our kidney. So this is the structure of nephron. The blood enters through the afferent arteriole into the Bowman's capsule. This is the Bowman's capsule, which is cup-shaped structure. The blood from afferent arteriole goes into the Bowman's capsule. This blood again go into the glomerulus and filter the blood under the high pressure. This glomerulus function is to filter the blood under the high pressure. The filtered blood again through the afferent arteriole. Through afferent arteriole it goes into loop of Henle. Loop of Henle function is to absorb essential substance and excess water present in the primary urine. So up to here this filtered blood is called glomerular filtration. After the filtered blood goes through afferent arteriole, it goes through loop of Henle, which is U-shaped structure. This is tubular reabsorption because it reabsorbs the essential substances such as excess water, blood into the loop of Henle. This is tubular reabsorption. From loop of Henle, it travels again through the vein, arterial vein. This is tubular secretion. This is the filtration of blood. It goes through afferent arteriole into the Bowman's capsule, which is cup-shaped in structure. Bowman's capsule send the blood into the glomerulus. This glomerulus filter the blood under high pressure. This process is called glomerular filtration. After this filtered blood again travel into afferent arteriole. This afferent arteriole goes into the loop of Henle. It reabsorbs essential substances, water and acids. This is tubular reabsorption. This blood which is present in loop of Henle go out through the presence of afferent vein. So this is the structure of nephron, which is structural and functional unit of nephron. So if our kidney stops working completely, our body is produce waste products, it can't be removed out from our body. This condition is called uremia. Our feet and hands may swell. In this condition we use dialysis machine which purifies the blood. This is also called hemodialysis. Thank you.